Today in this video I show you how to edit videos on Snapchat. For this you have to open Snapchat. Now click on this icon. Now you have to click on camera roll and now select the video you want. Now click on this pen icon for editing video. Now you can add text in your video by this text icon. Type what you want and choose style and color like this according to your choice. Now select where you want to put your text, and if you want to draw something then you can do that by this pen icon. You can select color by this and change color scheme by pressing on this. You can also add emojis like this. And once you're done, click on pen icon to go back. If you want to add stickers, then click on this stickers icon. In this you have varieties of stickers. Choose according to your choice and select the size and where you want to put your sticker. Now if you want, you can also make sticker of your video by this icon. Select the border design for capturing the area and capture screenshot like this. Click on done. Now select where you want to set your sticker. Now if you want to remove audio from your video, then click on the sound icon and mute audio like this. For adding music in your video, click on this icon. Select the song you want, choose the part you want to play and click on this check mark icon. Now if you want to crop your video, you can do that by this icon. And if you want to make your video in loop, then you can do that by this icon. And if you want to trim and cut your video, then tap on this and trim video like this. And if you want to cut your video, then take this yellow line and drag up to split or cut your snap. Now click on this cross icon to delete the part which you don't want. And now for saving your video, click on export, slide this and click on download. Now the edit video is saved. When I open gallery, you can see edit video is showing here. So this is how you can edit videos on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.